Today Charge and his friends have come to the beautiful town of Glendrig in the Lake District. They hope to climb the iconic English mountain of Helvellyn, but are concerned at the latest weather reports of 50 to 60 miles per hour gusts at the summit. Charge is the most concerned because his home-made Electric BMX is completely unsuitable for the climb. His friends and passing hikers think he is totally of his trolley.
Morning. Oh my god, one hand on this thing is hilarious. I don't feel this is going to go well for me. It doesn't seem to have the normal amount of power. It might just be psychological. Anyway, here's a nice little waterfall.
I'm actually a bit nervous, to be honest.
Oh my god!
Straight away the terrain proves to be challenging and he will have to dig deep into his experience to have any hope of a summit.
No, this is it. How difficult it is to ride this.
Towering high over the landscape, Helvellyn stands as one of the most impressive mountains in the region. At 3,117 foot tall, it offers stunning views across the national park and provides exhilarating challenges for e-bikers of all sanities.
I'm bleeding knackered already.
Good morning. Suddenly got very windy. Yeah, that's the way. I'll probably have to push.
Oh dear, those noises don't sound good and I'm only halfway up. I'll just put some earplugs in.
Too much for the BMX. This is so steep, so rocky. It's just wheeling out of control constantly.
Trying to keep the bike in a straight line is the hardest work. Ha! We're all crashing into each other.
The ascent has become so steep that he is forced to resort to scooting the bike along like a schoolboy while grunting like a mating gorilla.
Completely goosed.
Right, we're heading to over there and then to top of Helvellyn. Oh, it's getting very noisy. I'm going to let the battery pack cool down. It's getting really hot, seeing as it's on my back as well.
Overheated lithium-ion batteries can develop thermal runaway, leaving Charge to be found face down looking like a spontaneous combustion victim.
Oh my god! That's windy now! Oh Jesus Christ!
The BMX is beating the levo.
His friend encourages him to make that last push to the precarious ridge he is lounging on.
The wind must be 50 miles an hour. Whee!
There is the constant present danger of falling off and putting a hole in his favorite pants.
I don't think there's any chance of getting up there.
The team have had an emotional conversation and decided the BMX should carry on for the summit as Charge is the only rider fat enough not to be blown off the mountain.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
He is all alone now at the mercy of nature. The slightest mistake here would make an excellent short for the video. His spirits rise as he spots some fellow adventurers descending from the summit. He warmly greets them only to be ignored by the snooty twerps.
Oh, there's no point in talking, do you want to be able to hear me?
That guy could have looked any further down his nose at me if he tried. Some people have no humour.
He stops to take in the majesty of the moment and to consider if there is a category in the record books for BMX mountain climbing. Just as success is within reach, cutting corners ends his dream as the 6-year-old, completely knackered battery is silenced by the BMS.
There's nothing left in it, I'll never make it up there. But I've done really well, considering the wind!
Even worse, if he hadn't been with friends, he could have blagged that this was the top.
We're supposed to be going to the top, Helvellyn. It suddenly gets insanely windy there. I thought the bike was going to get blown away. Not quite as windy as this. I'll give it a go.
The extreme wind has caused him to snot on the camera lens. We decided to keep this footage in the final cut because it's hilarious.
Thank you. Jeez, that's evil. I'm pedaling. Pull.
You'll be lucky.
Well, this is difficult. Brian fancied a go. I think it was quite a shock to him.
It's a very heartwarming moment as Brain donated his son's BMX to me after he outgrew it, and here he is riding it on top of a mountain. Unfortunately, his son sadly still lives at home and is a right pain in the arse.
Oh, how smooth is this bike compared to the BMX? Absolutely glides along. You good?
The look says it all.
Can't go, doesn't it? The difference when you get back on yours.
Nearly lost the drone there, it just wouldn't land.
Oh, Jesus. Pumping up my hands. Of course, when you arrive, they take off. Oh my God! Well, that was punishing.
There was some friction on the descent as Charge was completely mentally and physically destroyed while the rest of the team were bird spotting.
Your cable going ding ding ding.
You wouldn't believe we were all in our 60s, would you?
Hey!
The last pedal.
I cannot believe I got up there. Coming down makes you realise how hard it was going up.
I've had both brake levers pulled to the handlebars for 10 minutes. My arms are killing me.
I'm getting sunburned there. Oh. The difference between here and up there.
That was very hard. There was a few times where I seriously thought about just throwing it in a ditch and walking back down.
The £10 Amazon suspension seat performed well if you are used to sitting on a greased space hopper.
I'll have to say, even though it didn't make it to the top again, it went a lot better than I expected. No punches, these BMX tyres are really sturdy. No burnt out phase wires. The brakes were just enough to stop me achieving light speed on the way down. Nearly lost the drone, but it saved itself eventually. The wind was ridiculous. The foam protector on the GoPro worked really well, so it probably doesn't sound that bad. Where I stopped was the limit of my ability to stand upright, and I was genuinely concerned. The lads on the levos just couldn't balance in the gusts. All I can say to you is don't ever try it yourself. I'm going to bed for a week.